Back at it. I'm on a hunt for the infamous Chrysler Sebring front bumper. So I'm gonna head out right now and see if we can find that bumper. It's gonna be a little bit journey. I gotta head down to Dallas to see if I can find this bumper. So I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. So you can go with me to the junkyard again. We went, I think, yeah, the last time we went was in, last time you guys, I filmed it, we went to the junkyard in the winter. So I didn't film last week that I went to the junkyard. So I'm just gonna film this one today, because I actually never been to this junkyard. I've been to pick up parts, but this one in particular down in Dallas I've never been to. So we're gonna go and stop and get gas and go from there. Just made it here, and let's go see what kind of trouble we could get into and stuff I can buy and probably don't need. I'm pretty sure of it, but I'm gonna find something. All right, let's go look. All right, so finally made it out here. I've been walking around and I seen like maybe 8 Chrysler Sebrings, and I guess those cars are notorious for somebody to hit on the driver's side, because every last one of them, the driver's side was wrecked and the bumper's gone. This weekend is like $25 for the bumpers, fenders, and something else. I forgot what it was, but 99% of the cars here that's decent doesn't have no bumpers at all, and some of the fenders are gone. Most of the cars are damaged. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna probably just wrap it up here and go to the next one, because I found nothing. Been looking for all kind of parts, Tahoe front bumper, even some of the K20, see if I can find a oil pump. All those are gone too. So we're gonna continue on. If I find anything, I will turn the camera back on. All right, so nothing. I walked at the yard again, around a couple more times, even searching for any other vehicles or anything that I need. Nothing. So we just gonna move on and go to the next junkyard. I think it's just a few miles away from here, and then I will pick it back up there. All right, guys. Alrighty, so I'm leaving that one, and the other one is about 13 miles away. So I'm gonna head over to that one real quick, and let's see here, make a U-turn. And head to the other one, and I will turn the camera back on as soon as I get there, so that I'm actually holding it right now. So I'll turn it back on. All right, so I'm at the second junkyard. I don't know why they always put the domestics all the way in the back. It's like always, any junkyard, it's always in the back, and the imports up front. So I have to walk all the way to the back. All right, so that's the first Sebring. Yep, that's what most of them look like. Let's see if we see any more down here. I don't see any. All right, so let's go to the next row. I did catch, I think, a white or silver one down further. We go take, oh, here's a white one. And there's a black one. Let's see how they got bumpers. There's the grill. Of course, no bumper. No bumper on that one. Here's a black one, no bumper. I told you, all of them get hit in the front. I hate to say it, it's like whoever drives these cars can't drive. Here's another one, bumper gone. This one don't look like it was hit in the front. Something else happened to this one. This one's hitting in front, see, driver's side, hitting the front. Here's another one. This one probably was hitting the, no, it wasn't hitting the front, don't look like it. Something else happened to this one. All right, let's keep, oh, here's a bumper. There's a red one. That tab is broken there, but it's not in bad shape. Foam is damaged. Oh, it's got a hole right there. Well, that is a candidate. All right, so as usual, my GoPro mic stopped working, so I'm just gonna talk over it. Now, I remember going down here, I saw I think it was white or silver Sebrings from a distance, and I knew it had a bumper on it. So I went to Herb and get over there, take a look at it. Neon PT Cruiser. And yeah, so there it is on the left. It is a silver one, but darn it, there's again on the driver's side, destroyed. Yeah, that bumper is got a few holes in it, so I'm not going to be able to use that one. So I'm gonna walk on down, and honestly, it was a lot of PT Cruisers here. I haven't seen that in a very long time. I think I counted, I think 9 or 10 of them. You can see it's a lot of here. That is a Charger of a left. Yes, I think it's a Charger. And then it's a newer Sebring, so that won't work. And I remember, okay, wait a minute. It's a white one. Yeah, driver's side, crash, usual. So something happened to this car. And then you see the door is different, and the bumper's up here, but as usual, all the tabs are broken off, so I can't use that one. That's quite a few 300s, Chrysler 300s there, and I think that's about it. Okay, here's one here. It's a silver one, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be any front bumpers. It's crashed in the front. What bumper is this? That is a Dodge Avenger front bumper, so that's not going to work. That's probably off of that one over there. There's a Neon. That's a newer Chrysler Sebring. Newer. There's another Avenger on the right. So that is not going to work either. Oh, here's one. Uh-oh, it's got a bumper. Let's take a look at, oh my gosh, look at it, it's ripped off. And it's hit on the driver's side. That's about right. Oh man, I'm not having any luck here. So I'm gonna go down to the next one. Charger 300. Oh, ooh, silver one. Here we go. Watch it, no front bumper. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it is a front bumper. Oh, nice. Let's take a look at it. Tabs are ripped off as usual. Let's see here. Let me pull it up here. Take a closer look. Oh no, it's, sorry, I was trying to take it. There we go. Oh, wrong car. It's a Chrysler 200. So that's not gonna work. Almost thought about doing a conversion. See if I can take the headlights and the front bumper and just slap it on there, but I don't know if that'll fit. I was so excited. I was like, yes, I got one. Nope, that didn't work out. So I'm gonna head down to these other ones here, see if I find anything. And no luck. Which way should I go? I should go left here. And those are getting to the Fords. So that's not gonna work either. I don't know. So I'm probably just gonna leave it off here and just walk and go back over. Look up and down the row some more because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna find anything here. But I'm gonna go back and look at that maroon. I think it was maroon or yeah, maroon. I'm gonna go back and look at that one again. It had that little hole. Maybe I can fix it. Oh, that's it. Wait a minute. What's this? What bumper is this? Oh, that's another Chrysler 200. I believe. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's one right there. I think I looked at this one earlier. Oh, that was for that car, that bumper that was on the ground. So that was that Chrysler 200. Let's see, what bumper is this? Oh, that's a 300. So no, that's not gonna work. It's another 300. They had a lot of 300, and you notice that all the bumpers was off, laying on top of the cars because I think somebody was collecting them to come back and pick them up when they have that bumper day sale. And nothing here. I was even looking at other things that I probably don't need, but just in case. Where did that other one go? So I think I'm looking for, yeah, going back over to the one that was on the ground. I may, for $25, probably got to do maybe about 5 or 6 hours worth of work on it to get it where it's paintable. But I don't know. Let's see, here it is here. And then I noticed, well, I only seen that part, and what happened was I picked it up, looked on a passenger side, and the bottom of it was ripped off. So I didn't notice that at first. I think it was this bumper, yeah. Oh no, that's what happened. That top part was broken. I didn't see that at first because I was just gonna come back and get the bumper. And I mean that stuff. I have the tools and the plastic melter to fix all that, but I don't want to put that much time into that. It was just way too much. So I'm just gonna keep walking around. Ooh, some bumpers in the car. Pretty sure it's for something else. Let's take a look. That is a Dodge Avenger front bumper. That's probably for one of those cars. Yeah, it's for one of those. And it's another white 200 bumper. So that is it. This is where we begin. So I'm just going to probably just walk around and just look at it a little bit more. Alrighty, that was it. I can't remember exactly what I said here, but thanks anyway. Thank you guys. And I guess that's it. I just want to say please, thank you guys for watching. Please come like, subscribe. Just gonna finish up this junkyard. I was gonna stop by another one on the way home, and I actually called them first, and they didn't really have anything, so I'm just gonna go back home. I've been out to these junkyards. I was out here for maybe about 5 hours. All right, till then, guys. Later.